Bubble tea is the most calorific drink in the world. If you drink bubble tea every day, what happens to your body? First, your blood sugar will rise. Bubble tea has 3 times the sweetness of cola, so it may cause a sharp rise in blood sugar and promote the development of related diseases, such as diabetes. Secondly, bubble tea usually contains a lot of sugar and calories, and each serving of milk tea is very high in calories. Long-term consumption of milk tea may lead to weight gain, which increases the risk of obesity and related diseases such as diabetes and cardiovascular disease. In addition, bubble tea may also trigger gout, as excess sugar causes uric acid to build up in the body, increasing the risk of joint pain. Although bubble tea is popular in some places, it is recommended to drink it in moderation and try to choose low-sugar or sugar-free options to stay healthy. Maintaining a balanced diet and proper exercise are also important factors in maintaining health. Follow me and learn more about health.